Hello, welcome. Another laptop to fix. This time Acer Nitro. Gaming laptop, right? But the customer is complaining it doesn't charge. And it doesn't power up either, does it? Pressing the power button. Nope. Okay. What kind of plug is it? Is it USB-C? No. It's a round one. No. Yeah. Huh. Maybe not this one. This one? Okay. This one is better. We have 19 and we have what? 1 amp? 5 amps. No. Current 1 amp. Plug it in. 0, 0. Let's try another one. It was 12. It wants to do something. 476 milliamps. 30. 1 amp. Okay. Current 4 amps. Okay. Let's see. Power. Nothing? More power? I don't think so. 30, 600 and something. Oh, the keyboard backlight. And it shuts off. Can you see that? No? Let me get you closer. So pressing the power button. Yeah. What can that be? Let's open it up and see what we can see. Okay, all screws are out and all are the same. That's good. Let me find the plastic container. That's right. Okay. I'm always having trouble opening laptops. Sometimes it's really hard. Let's see. Now this one is easy. Okay. Here we are in. So, is there anything popping out? Looks clean. I don't see anything off the bat. Looks good. And the battery is disconnected. Okay. So we are not first one in here. Do we have any voltage on the battery? Let's check the No, I mean, it's not shorted, right? Maybe it is. This is fine. That's good. No, that's fine. Where else could I check here? Ground, power rail, good. So that's good. Let's connect the battery and see if we have anything in the battery. Switching to voltage. Here, 15.4. 15.4. So the battery is charged. Okay, plug in the power supply. Nope. It's where it's here. Okay, yeah, it's here. Okay. It doesn't charge, but what do we have on the main power rail? Nothing here, fine. Okay. 19 here. 19. No? Hmm? So we do have 19 volts. 15 on the battery. It's not charging. Okay. Yeah, we do have 19, so that's fine. This is the output, input, it's fine. And we do have, that's important, we do have 19.5 and we are pushing 19.5. Okay. We have 3.3. That's kinda important, right? Where can we check? Maybe around the EC chip. 3.2. So that's good. Easy now. We have some capacitors here. What is that? Nothing. Nothing. 3.3. So that looks good. Okay. Yeah, the power button is working, right? But it doesn't want to start. Why? Okay. Let's take the heatsink out and measure some coils. We have some coils here. Let's check that. We have beeper. That's fine. That's good. This one is good. This is not beeping. Here, fine. Here, fine. Fine. Good. You can't see, sorry. This one. Good. Some MOSFETs here, that's good. Yeah, we can't get under here. This, fine. So what's the problem then? What can be the issue here? Looking down there in the connector, looks good. Here on this one, can't see. Okay, let's try again. Plug it in. Yeah, it's trying. Let's take the heatsink out. Okay, so what do we have here? This, how much? 7. 3. All right, that's good. And this one, 0.9. So what the hell is going on? Everything looks fine. How about this little board? No, looks clean. I don't know, man. Is the keyboard shorted? Huh? This out. What else do we have? Screen. Yeah, that's fine. Let's take this out also. We'll take everything out and see. I mean, it's strange. I don't know. Okay. And here. Okay, so I mean it doesn't charge, but it doesn't charge because it's fully charged. So yeah, okay, this out. What is that? Okay, and the power button is on the keyboard. Okay, plug it in. I mean, if I reset the BIOS, it should start on its own. Disconnect the battery, short it out. Okay, plug it in, connect, let's open it up, connect the power. I mean, it wants to do it, but it can't do it. Yeah, it wants to. Phone, be right back. Okay, we're back. What did we do? We unplugged everything. What was I trying to do? Okay. Power it on without anything connected, right? So power in. And let's see on the keyboard if we have some power anywhere. First pin here. Volts. Nothing. First here. Huh? Let's go under the mic. Under the mic. Here we are. Okay. We have ground. So this pin is what? Nothing. This one? Nothing. Where did I get like... Let's see here. So we have 3.2 here. Is this ground? Volts, ground. So if I short these two, it should start. Okay. Let's see. Open it up and connect these two pins. Yes, same thing. Okay. Next, what I want to check is around the BQ chip. Is there a BQ chip here? Intersil. What is 88739? Okay. What is here? Something. Okay. So this one. What do we have around here? Voltmeter. Range auto. See here. 19. Sure, 19. 5. Up. 11. Sorry. Okay, I'm sorry, I had a customer. So anyway, this looks fine. 19, 11. If I put the battery in, we should probably have somewhere the battery voltage, but I don't know, I don't think this is the problem. So now what? Take the board out and check the other side. Yeah, power off. Let's do that. Okay, the board is out. What do we have? We have a power connector here, and I don't see any input circuits on this side, so probably here on the other side. And the positive was here, negative here, so we have this, and it's coming probably via this vias. Let's check under the microscope. So the power comes here. from the charging port. And let's measure the input circuit. Beeper. We have ground here. We don't need ground. We need to check the shorts. That's the coils or the inductors. This is fine. This is fine. Yeah. The gates are not together. This is fine. And this is fine. So the input circuit is fine. Okay. Now what? Can we see something on the thermal camera? Power here. Let me connect my thermal cam and let's take a look. I don't think we can. But we can inject power, right? Yeah, but no, I mean only when you power up the laptop. It's trying to do something. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. Power is in. Shorting, power is in. Let me go thermal cam. Thermal cam. Shorting the power button. Okay. It doesn't want to do it again. Turning off the power. Power on. Pressing the power button. Oh, it didn't work. Did you see that? Here. Yeah, that's normal. I mean, what is going on? Come on, man. Okay, this one is warm. This does nothing. This does nothing. I don't know. Memory out. What about now? Again 30 milliamps. Let me put the wires away. Again. Yeah, only the PCH. That's a shame. is a big track. Here, that's ground. What do you say? But it should charge. And what cuts the power? This thing cuts the power? Okay, power in. So let's put 19 where? Here. Where is the easiest? Here. Okay, 19 here. Let's put 19 here and then power the board. Is that a bad idea? So 1 volt here does nothing because it's not shorted, yeah. Okay, ground. Do we have ground? We do. So volts 19, power current 1 amp. Okay. Nope. Voltage 19.5, current 1 amp on channel 2. So coming with power here. That's fine. Pushing the power button. Yeah, it's the same. Yeah, it's the same. It wants to start, but it can't. Yeah. What is here? Can it be? Nah, it can't be. Let me scratch a bit. is something. Let's clean. Huh. Was that liquid damage? It looks like it. Are you serious? Can this be the problem? On the other side, it's fine, but it is corroded, right? Let's plug it in again. Fingers crossed. Power. What do we have? 19. Okay. Let's give it a bit more. 19.5. 1 amp current. 4 amps. Press the power button. Oh, almost. No, it's working. Holy moly. Now it's cold. No. It's good. Are you kidding me? Wow. Let me clean this because I don't want that crap on the front cover on the laptop screen. Clean, clean, clean. Yes. Looking good. Hand lotion. Alcohol's my hand lotion. Okay. Poured in. And what do we need? The only thing we need is the screen. And one screw on the board, please. We don't want it falling off here in the middle. Okay, that's good. We need a heatsink, right? That's why we want to put it back. Heatsink. I need my bag of screws. Where is the heatsink screws? 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This. We don't need all, but 2 here, 1 there, and that's good. Oh my gosh, I think it's working. Yeah, it was like 800 milliamps. But I didn't feel the heat from the CPU, so it can be this or that, working or not working. Yeah, of course. Okay. What am I doing? Power. Open it up. Press the power button on the keyboard with the screwdriver. We are on and off, and please come back now on. Yes. And come on. Come on. No? Okay, maybe it's restarting. Yes, it is restarting. We don't have fans connected, so I don't know if they're spinning. Okay, come on, now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nothing. Okay, restarting again. You can see there, up there, where on the power supply. Yeah, it's dead. No. Current 5 amps. Maybe I should connect the original power supply. Yes! Let's go! Yes! I'm happy. Happy, happy, happy. So here, just a little speck of something, of liquid. And that was the problem. Wowie wow. Oh boy, is it charging? Plug in the, okay, sorry. Plug in the battery. Well, it's not charging, the battery is full. Disconnecting the power supply, it works on battery, so great. I'm happy. Two amps. Yes. Okay, let me put all of that back together and then we'll test. It is all back together. We have used all the screws except the case ones. That's very important and sometimes hard to achieve. So let's power on and let's see what's going on. This, we have everything, right? Here, there was nothing here, I hope. Connecting the battery. Right. Open it up, connect to the power. Power on. We have 12 milliamps. Okay, 1 amp, so we are charging. Let's go up a bit like that. Pressing the power button. The keyboard is lighting. The fan is spinning. We have the backlight on the keyboard. Yeah, now we wait again, I guess. The disc is in. I've changed the thermal paste. I have cleaned the spot with a toothbrush again. So that's good. Oop. Any moment now. 4 amps. Did we hit the current limit? I think we have. Okay, stop. Let's go parallel mode, 6 amps. Six amps should be enough. What is that? I don't know. Power off. Power on. What is that? some Linux, broken Linux distribution. Yeah, well, let me put my disk in and then see if it works. Oh my gosh. It never ends. Okay, let me grab my disk. It's in a little box of goodies. Plug the disk in. Let's see now. It is turning on. It's loading the windows. Yeah, I mean, it should work. I mean, it was liquid. It was just a tiny bit, tiny drop of liquid. Incredible. Okay, I mean, that's it, right? Thank you very much for watching. If you like this, give it a like. Maybe consider subscribing. And maybe type, first comment on the video, yeah? Thank you, bye.